If your toilet's slow tank refill is driving you nuts, fixing that fill valve is usually the key to getting things back on track fast. So, here's the deal. First, shut off the water supply to your toilet. You don't want a mini flood while you're working. Next, flush the toilet to empty the tank as much as possible. Now, check the fill valve inside the tank. If it's dirty or clogged, that's often why water refills slowly. Grab a cloth and clean off any buildup around the valve and the float. Sometimes, mineral deposits from hard water can mess with the valve, so you might want to soak it in vinegar for a bit if it looks grimy. Also, make sure the float isn't stuck or too low. Adjust it so it lets water flow properly, but stops filling at the right level. If cleaning doesn't help, swapping out the fill valve is actually pretty straightforward and won't cost you an arm and a leg. Just follow the instructions on a replacement kit and you should have your toilet refilling like new in no time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow tank refill problems is ignoring mineral buildup on the fill valve, which just keeps slowing things down. Cleaning or replacing it fixes that right up. Another common issue is not adjusting the float correctly. If it's too low, your tank fills super slowly or not enough, so tweaking that float height can save you headaches. Lastly, some folks forget to check the water supply line for kinks or clogs. If water can't get through easily, your fill valve won't matter much. Make sure that line is clear and fully open. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work by reaching real people who need their skills without all the hassle of searching around.